Okay.
Hey friends, how are you today? I am showing you how to get free wood. We have a lot of building going on in Jacksonville, and I am getting wood, going up under here, and look at all this free scrap wood that would have went to waste. All of it. Now, I'm not getting from that side. I'm over here only, on the other side of the trash, on the pile of trash, because you don't want to steal in this process. But this is a great way to get free wood to build your raised beds. My truck is loaded. I even have the exterior cement boards and all this free wood to build my raised beds. Wood is expensive now. So anything you can do to cut your gardening costs, do it. Stay tuned and watch to see what I am doing with this wood. Stay tuned. Me and my friend are out here getting it, and we are gonna make our raised beds. And I'm doing some other special projects with it, so stay tuned to see what it is. Check out my videos, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and have a great gardening day. Oh God.